guys, today I got a smartphone from a new company, Poptel. This is the K2. I also ordered a K1, should be here very shortly. This phone costs around $70, and for that you get 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of storage, Android 10 Go, 6.52-inch display, a nice 4000 mAh battery, 4G, a fingerprint sensor, the MediaTek 6739, which isn't the fastest chip, but it has been pretty stable in phones I've used in the past. Very plasticky back, but I do like the color design. Wow, it looks pretty good. Also, the fingerprint sensor is pretty recessed into the body. Okay, the back is removable, but the battery is not. I mean, you could remove it, but you need to be semi-phone pro to do that. So yeah, here in the back, we have our 2 SIM slots and our SD card slot as well. In the box, we have this, and it looks like that. Yeah, this was probably meant to be on the screen itself. So yeah, that's pretty awkward. But yeah, charging brick doesn't feel too light. Still wouldn't trust it. And a pair of headphones, a charging cable, which is micro USB. Not taking everything out of the box because I gotta sell these phones later. A quick start guide. Okay, cool. And a warranty certificate, which is important. Okay, so the phone comes pre-set up. Okay, that's kind of weird. But we're gonna let that slide. Oh, wow, the battery is 1%. Okay, I gotta charge this real quick. Okay, it was in the charger for a good while, and we only have 4%. So we're gonna see what we can do. Let's try to review this phone as fast as possible. So it turns out that this phone wasn't supposed to come pre-set up because it came with this text in Chinese. So I talked to the seller and he told me that they just forgot to factory reset the phone. So you should get the typical boot screen when you first boot it up. Okay, I don't see we have a face unlock option, so we're gonna just test the fingerprint unlock. 3, 2, 1. Maybe it's I think it's even a bit too much recessed into the body because, yeah. Okay, now it doesn't want to unlock now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I have to put it exactly in this spot right here. Nope. Okay, now it didn't even work that time. Okay, so what can I say? The fingerprint sensor works. It's good when it works, so it's pretty fast and accurate, but sometimes it just chooses not to detect your fingerprint at all. So it's not the most reliable. Okay, so this kind of stuttering. Oh, I'm not signed in with my main account, so I can't restore purchases. It is playable, just, you know, not the best experience you're gonna get. I think even without ads, it would be maybe slightly better, but still the same more or less. Okay, Wind Rider is very laggy. Maybe it'll sell in a second. Okay, there you go. Now it's slightly better. Just takes the game a bit to sell when it's first launched. Yeah, not the best phone for gaming. I'm not even gonna test PUBG because for night games it's not the best, but maybe it could be a bit better. Okay, so the speaker is pretty decent. I mean, it's a bit muffled, but that's to be expected from these type of phones. I'd say it's slightly below average for the price. Okay, so our rear camera picture size is only up to 8 megapixels. Front-facing camera is 5 megapixels only. As for video, what are these black things? Why does it have that effect? It's weird. You can bump the selfie video to 720p. As for the rear camera, 1080p. Okay, so not bad. Hopefully it looks good. Hopefully the actual results are good. All right, let's take our first selfie. Okay, let's go outside. We're facing video on the Poptel K2. Looks kind of bad on my end. Let's try and focus right here. Wait, that's in the shade. Let's go. The visibility is so bad I can't even see if it's focusing or not. Right, but yeah, I mean, for $70, let me know what you think. Front-facing video on the Poptel K2, and I can barely see myself. The screen has this issue where when it's under direct sunlight, it gets kind of like whitened. It's kind of, I don't know how to explain it. It's just wider. I don't know how to see the screen right now. And well, what about the overall quality? Let me know what you think. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? For $70, it's pretty decent. I mean, the performance isn't that bad considering the specs we have here, but some small things. Okay, the vibration motor is the cheapest vibration motor I've ever felt, and the camera could be a tiny bit better. Okay, but overall for $70, I mean, you're getting what you pay for, even though I think it should cost like $60. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this phone, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.